In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export high-resolution images on Figma. If you've ever struggled with maintaining image quality when exporting from Figma, then this guide is definitely for you. Let's dive right in. First things first, we'll head over to Figma, the go-to collaborative design tool. If you're not already familiar, Figma is renowned for its flexibility and collaborative capabilities, making it a staple for many in the design community. Once you are on Figma's homepage, go ahead and log in with your credentials. If you don't have an account, take a moment to set one up so we can proceed. After logging in, navigate to Home in Figma. This will take you to your collection of recent projects where you can see all the workspaces and files you have access to. From here, the next step is to click on Design to enter the design interface of the file you're planning to export. This environment is where you'll manipulate your project to prepare for a clean export. Now you're ready to export. Keep an eye on the interface and look for the export option, usually located at the bottom of the design panel. Click on it. This is crucial as it initiates the process of setting up your file for export. It's important to ensure you're exporting exactly what you need, so double check that you're in the correct file or artboard. Once you've clicked export, you'll need to choose a file format. Figma offers several options, but for best results in terms of resolution, we recommend opting for PNG. PNG files are known for their high quality and ability to handle detailed graphics very well, so they're ideal for ensuring your images come out crisp and clear. Next, let's go up to the main menu, which is typically represented by 3 horizontal lines or a similar icon. This menu is your gateway to multiple functions within Figma, including file handling. Within the main menu, click on File. This step is crucial as it gives you access to the options for exporting your file. Now here's where it all comes together. Click again on Export within the File menu. Be sure that your settings align with your needs. Check aspects like the resolution and scale of your export. A general tip, upping the scale can improve the resolution of your exported images, but be mindful of file size. With these steps complete, you should now have your highly detailed, high-resolution images exported from Figma. I hope this guide simplifies the process for you, ensuring your designs maintain their quality when shared with clients or collaborators. Thanks for tuning in and happy designing. Remember, practice makes perfect, and with these tips you'll be a pro at exporting your designs in no time.